In this video, I am going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Kucoin to your Binance account. Whether you're moving your assets for trading or storage, this tutorial will walk you through it. Stay tuned and follow each action closely so your transfer goes smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First, go to Kucoin and sign into your account. Make sure your account is fully verified for seamless withdrawals. Then go to the Assets option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This section shows your current crypto balances. Next, in the options at the top, choose Funding Account. This is where your withdrawable assets are stored. After that, find the crypto you want to transfer and click Withdraw next to it. Kucoin will prompt you to enter the destination address. Now paste the wallet address from Binance and select the same network used on Binance. Always double-check the address and network to avoid losing your funds. That's how to transfer your crypto from Kucoin to Binance easily and safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful crypto tutorials. See you next time!